In today's video, we're gonna talk about some new Blender add-ons and some that just got some major updates. So if you are interested in modeling, decals, animation, or even tracking, this video is for you. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Starting with Course Select. This add-on offers a collection of 30+ advanced selection tools, which work across different Blender workspaces. As we all know, Blender's built-in selection tools can feel limited compared to other 3D software, like Max or Maya, and that's exactly where Course Select comes in. The add-on lets you quickly select faces, edges, or vertices using a wide range of methods, including surfaces, loops, patterns, and even boundaries, but it doesn't stop there. For example, the Similar Shape tool allows you to select faces based on shape similarity, which can be extremely useful for complex models. There is also Smart Double Click, which is a context-aware tool that adapts to your current mode, making it easier to select different types of geometry without extra steps. Another powerful feature is Select by Weight, which helps you isolate vertices based on their weight paint values. On top of that, Course Select includes tools like Smart Loop, Face Loop, Select by Island, Boolean Selection, and Waypoint Path, in addition to other selection types. Generally speaking, I think this add-on is especially useful when working with hard surface models, messy topology, or even large environments. Next up, we have Decal Beast, which is a free add-on that makes adding decals to your objects incredibly easy. I mean, with a simple drag and drop, you can place decals onto any mesh while maintaining full control over their rotation and scale. Even better, decals automatically align to the surface normals, saving you a lot of manual adjustments. The add-on also helps you stay organized by letting you sort decals into categories, complete with thumbnails and previews. You can also even import and use your own custom images. One important thing to note is that the add-on is non-destructive, since there are node groups on empties, so you can edit or remove decals at any time you want, without affecting the original materials. It also supports multiple materials with per decal controls, so whether you want precise manual tweaks or you need to apply decals across several objects at once, it handles both workflows smoothly. And in the Pro version, it can unlock even more features, including animated aging and Gaussian effects, in addition to baking a library of over 250 hand-drawn scribbles. Now let's talk about Camera Tracker by SGET, which is an absolute beast of an add-on, especially with its latest update. This tool makes camera tracking easier than ever by leveraging photogrammetry techniques. So all you have to do is import your footage, and then the add-on handles the heavy lifting for you, turning a complex tracking into one-click process. As simple as that. And the new update brings some great improvements too, especially in the performance side of things. Simply put, tracking is now significantly faster thanks to proper CUDA and cuDNN support, making it up to 5 times faster on longer shots compared to previous versions. There's also the new tripod solver, which is designed specifically for shots without parallax. It is currently in beta, but it is already promising for static camera setups. Another standout upgrade is the improved inversion speed when switching between solving the camera and objects, which is now up to 100 times faster, and this is honestly impressive. On top of that, the developer confirmed for support for Blender 5 and 5.1, making the add-on already future-proof. Overall, if you're doing any kind of tracking work in Blender, I really recommend this add-on to save you a massive amount of time and effort. Now let's move on to Puppet Studio, which is an add-on to make rigging and animation just more accessible. It comes packed with a range of powerful features. I can mention the limb controllers, which let you control entire limbs without the need to manually adjust individual bones. There is also a Smart Edit mode, which gives you better control during the rig setup process, along with an automatic skinning system that helps you solve common issues when binding a model to a rig. Another standout feature is limb visualization, which shows you in real time how your mesh reacts to bone placement. This means you can instantly see whether your rig is set up correctly without the usual guesswork. On top of that, the add-on includes tools like onion skinning and motion paths, helping you refine the animation with more precision. And if you're working across multiple platforms, it even offers export presets for Unity and Unreal Engine. With another powerful add-on, we have Stitch Generator, This add-on creates for you seamless stitches on your objects within just seconds, and it offers 50 ready-to-use stitches, which wrap perfectly over almost any design. You just select the edges that you want to stitch, in the edit mode, find the stitch design that you want, and hit generate, as easy as it looks. After generating your stitches, it offers you a few parameters to adjust your stitches to your liking. The next add-on is called Real Caustics, which can actually make the difference between water that looks real and the water that looks rendered. So the add-on is designed for animated water, and it works seamlessly with fluid simulations, ocean modifiers, and really any mesh-based water surface. And it has multiple handy settings which you can tweak and customize to your liking. And if you're in a rush, you can use a pack of seamless loop-in bake textures ready to use in your scenes. Since it is based on textures, it works buttery smooth in the viewport, and the final render is 2 to 3 times faster compared to Blender Caustics. Next on the list we have 3D onion skinning, and this add-on automatically generates for you onion skinning of your animated objects. So you simply select the armature that you want, hit generate, and voila, you get a fully customizable 3D onion skinning. And to make things even easier, you've got 2 triggering modes, generate on frame change and generate on tweaks. Generate on frame change allows the add-on to automatically generate onion skinning each time you move your timeline, or it saves you from clicking the generate button over and over again. The other mode, which is called generate on tweaks, tells the add-on to refresh the 3D onion skinning each time you add or remove or change the keyframe data, so you can see the results in real time. And in a recent update, the developer of this add-on added the ability to generate onion skinning on grease pencil rigged and filled objects. Also, this update comes with a new way to visualize your object's onion skinning, as you can see. They added the ability to enable and disable the fade offset, and this allows you to see all the character onion skinning at once. Yet with another animation add-on, we have Super Graph Editor tools, which can be a solid addition to any workflow. Basically because it brings industry standard workflows like Maya style retime, lattice deformations, and more into the Blender Graph Editor. One of the highlights is Grab and Bake. This feature allows you to instantly parent and unparent objects or pose bones without messy constraints or cheap workarounds, so you don't have to fill up your scenes with empties. Because this feature is great for grabbing objects or passing objects between characters. Another very cool and creative addition is the Smooth and Sculpt brush. This literally allows you to sculpt your graphs, just like Blender Sculpt mode, but you get 2 brushes, one to smooth out keyframes and the other to grab the keyframes. Another highlight is Postfix. This lets you adjust an existing animation without destroying the curves. This works best if you want to reuse your character animations across multiple scenes, so your character won't snap back to its original place each time you move it, and the features just keep coming, because I covered only 3 out of 18, so if you want to see the full breakdown of this add-on, you can go to the add-ons page and check it out for yourself. Last but not least, we have Gui Slider. This is simple, yet it can be a time saver add-on. With it you can add sliders to control your character's shape key data, path, or any custom property that you want. It works with any custom rig, and even multiple armatures in one scene. And the interesting thing, it doesn't just stop at sliders. You can even add joystick to mix and match different shape keys with ease. You can also layer 2 controllers in a single bone. This feature, as you can see, can dramatically speed up your workflow. And you also have a quick view mode to show all the selected character sliders at once for quick adjustments. And that's not everything. The add-on offers one useful feature, like mirroring left side controls to the right side of your character, and it also lets you customize the appearance of your sliders, among other things. So guys, if you are interested in these add-ons, you will find all the necessary links in the description. And there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to the channel to receive more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.